almost middle of August, the first time I've been out on the SeaDoo this year. I blew it up last year, had some issues, and got it fixed about a month ago, but finally got a chance to get out today to test it. Everything seems to be okay. All year long I've been wanting to get out fishing on this thing. I sold my boat earlier this year, so hadn't been out. So today I was just driving around looking for some fish while I was testing this thing, and found a couple smallies. So came back home, got my rod, and we'll see what happens. So I'm about 5 minutes up the lake from where I just was. This is where I launched the boat when I was coming in to do some testing and that. It's just a little nicer water to run around in. So I just grabbed my fishing license, and we're gonna go head up the lake here about another 10 minutes to where I saw those fish. Okay, so I just got to where I saw those fish. Just gonna rig up a tube jig here. Had a Senko on, but don't feel like that's really gonna cut it. Just a little tiny tube jig, 4-inch. See what we can do. That might have been where he was, right up there. Come on, Cloud, get out of here. Okay, here we go. Oh, there's where he was, right there. I see exactly where he was. He's on, he's got it. Oh man, he had it. Yeah, he ate that thing for sure, man. Ugh, can't believe I missed him. There we go. Definitely not as big as I was hoping, but at least I caught one on the SeaDoo. Dang, he swallowed this thing. Not too bad. So this is exactly where I think I saw that fish. It's just back here. And I hope that wasn't the one I saw, because the one I saw looked like 4 pounds.